In this video we are going to build our landing page for our sales funnels. And the most important thing, don't overthink this. The most popular or the best landing pages are those that are really simple. And in this case we are going to build this landing page, very simple. It's for an ebook, and you have a form on the right. It looks like this in the mobile. So this is what we're going to do in this video, and if you follow me to the end, I have some exciting news that I want to share with you. So let's dive in. I'm in the Go High Level account, and I'm at the sites and funnels. Now funnels and websites are similar. Funnels is more like so you can see how many opt-ins you have. You can have a little bit more visual understanding of how the funnel looks like. A website is more static pages about your company. So that's the main difference. You can have a landing page on your website also. That's no different, but I don't think that you can get that statistics that you get with funnels. So we're going to start a new funnel, and I'm going to create it from blank, and I just say YouTube to be really creative. Great. Now I have YouTube here, and then we come into the steps that we are building. Now I'm just going to build one step, but as you see here in funnels, you can have your statistics, a little bit more visuals, sales if we work with that. Now we're going to just create opt-ins with a form later on, and then we have some settings here. This video is about creating the design, so we are not going to look into the settings here. And what we do is we create a new step, and we can make it like a start. Very creative. And we create it. So we are going to use a blank. If you have built your funnels or in a previous funnel, you can just use this. But we are going to create this from blank. And this is the design view. So now let's start. I want to have like a header with my logo. And you see this green one it's called a section. And then we need to add a row. So let's make a simple one column row, and then we add the elements. And here I want to add an image, and then we need to find the image. If you don't have uploaded, you can do that by clicking the button there, and then you can upload it here. I have my images here, double click, and I have where there is my logo, so I double click that. You see it's very big now, too big, and then we can just arrange this with like 200 pixels. Great. And then you see maybe this logo is a little bit too, I want it up more, so we can work with the padding or margins. So we see here on the right you have a padding, and that's I can make it like this, and also I remove it under also. We can go back and adjust this later. Now we create a new section, and we need to get the green one. You see, when you're working with paddings and margins, it can be sometimes hard to, you see there, here I need to find the green section, so we just have to just adjust this for the moment so we can find the green arrow, so we can start a new section. I will have this full section also, and also what I forgot to say in the beginning, most of your visitors are going to come from mobile, so we need to make this mobile friendly first, but it's also very good to switch between these and see that it looks good also from desktop mode. I like to work in desktop mode and then switch over to mobile. I add a row and I want a 2-column this time, like this. And then on the section here, let's start with that. I have a image that I want to have some has a background image, and I will upload file. And then we have happy family. I created this in Canva, and we are uploading this, and we are clicking it. Now we are going to, you see it's a quite bad resolution, but it works for now. And we can't really see the image right now, but we are going to put text and images in here so we can adjust that later. Now here, first of all, I want to have also a new row that is 1 column, because I want this have a headline here, and then we move this. You can either drag, no, you can't drag the column or the row. Well, here you can adjust it. It's hard, so you can drag it at the top, or you can just use the arrows. No, won't happen now. Like this. Great, and here we are going to have a headline. And you see, if you want to change the font, you can go to the typography. And right now we have Montserrat. You can choose. I recommend you to choose one of these fonts. To install your own font, it takes time, and it's really difficult, really, to get it right. But maybe we have, like in my logo, I have Bebas Neue. We can change that later. Now here we want to have an ebook. This is a ebook funnel, and we have our, so this is not really the image that I wanted, because I had cropped it in this way. You see it's a little bit too big, and we can have the width of 300, maybe like this. Great. And on the right here we want text, and we can adjust the text to 18 maybe, like this. Now you see it can be a little bit difficult to read, so if we click on the section here, we can have it heavily fade, so it will be easier to read. And also I think that now the headline looks a little bit too small. We can adjust that and make it like 50, like this, and then we can look at the mobile, and maybe it's too big here, so we can change that to 30, like this. Okay, we go back to this mode, and here we are also going to have a form. Now this is a different video where we create a form, but let me just show you how you can insert the form. And I'll take this form because I had made it a transparent background. And here we can just fill out the form, and I will send you this book immediately. Is this right? No. Right click. Okay, sorry. Right, great. So how does it look on mobile? As I said before, you see that there are a little bit too much space here. This is because the image has that space, but we can we can do this a little bit smaller with the padding. And let's just write, do you want to start an online business? Great. You see how easy it is, but it can be really difficult. I mean, I have spent hours just adjusting spaces, and this is maybe not the best website builder, but what we are focusing on here is conversions. We want people to see this, download it, so we can build our list. Now I will copy this section, and you do that by pressing this little icon. So we clone it, and then we can move it down. So we have our logo up here, and down here we have also our logo, and maybe we want to put some social icons there. You see this, and if we go into it, we can change how it looks, and we can also make it a little bit smaller if we want. Maybe that's too small, like that. Height 30 also. Can we have themes here? Yeah, you can have, like, if you want to have it in black or white, or just like this. I will have this in black and white, and I have just a few of them. So if you have your Facebook, you just click the pen, and then you enter your URL to your Facebook page or your Facebook personal account. Doesn't matter. What do you think? I think this looks pretty good. I think this is it for this video. First, when you see this, of course, it can be overwhelming, but you have to follow me. And if you want my help, I'm here. Just click on the link below this video. It's salesfunnelsfornewbies.com, and there you can apply for me helping you and building your online sales funnel for free. So that's what I want to tell you. And in the next video, we're going to look at how we can connect our domain very, very easy to our landing page. Great. Thanks. Bye.